Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix drowned error on Minecraft's PS5 or Xbox. So to do this, you will need to go to your PC or mobile. So let me do that. After that, you want to go to minecraft.net or .com, and then you want to go ahead and sign into your Minecraft account with which you play. After that, press on profile and then press on account. Once you are here on account, you want to go ahead and go here on Microsoft account settings and log into your Microsoft account. Just press on it. And now once you are here, you want to press on security. Once you are on security, you want to press manage how I sign in here on the account option. Press on it. And now what you need to do is make sure that enter password is turned on and basically up to date, and you know your password. And for example, email code, you want to go ahead and just remove it from here. The same goes with the passkey. You want to go ahead and remove it and just leave the password here. And now once you will remove email code and passkey, make sure enter password is left only. And just like so, you're gonna simply sign into your account and the drowned error will be fixed. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.